Before shopping for a new gas furnace, don't forget the accessories that ensure proper installation, compatibility, and long-term performance. Here are the most commonly purchased add-ons we recommend for every furnace. Smart thermostats. Upgrade your comfort and control with a smart thermostat. This allows you to program and adjust your home's temperature from your phone, helping you save energy and money all year long. Thermostat wire. New thermostats often require updated wiring. Thermostat wire is affordable, easy to run, and ensures your new furnace and thermostat communicate properly. Liquid propane conversion kits. If your home uses propane instead of natural gas, you'll need a conversion kit. These kits are designed to safely convert your furnace for use with liquid propane fuel. Return air ductwork and knockdown supply plenums. Proper airflow is essential for furnace performance. Return ductwork brings air back into the system, while supply plenums distribute warm air throughout your home. Our knockdown plenums are easy to assemble and made to fit most installations. Air filter racks. Many furnaces don't come with a built-in way to hold an air filter. A filter rack allows for easy access and replacement, improving your home's air quality and protecting your furnace from dust and debris. Drain pan. Whether your furnace is installed horizontally or vertically, a drain pan provides an added layer of protection. This especially applies in attics, basements, or crawl spaces to help catch any overflow or leaks from condensation. All of these accessories are listed right on each furnace product page, so you can easily add what you need with just a few clicks. Shop now and get everything you need in one place. HVACdirect.com. Better systems, better prices.